Hello, my friend, and welcome back to your English listening practice. Today, we are going to talk about something very important if you want to speak English with confidence. The topic is how to train your brain and your mouth to speak in English. Maybe right now you feel shy when you speak. Maybe you think too much before you talk. Maybe your mouth feels heavy and the words come out slowly. That is normal. Every learner feels this way in the beginning. But here is the truth. You can train your brain and you can train your mouth. Just like a muscle, they get stronger when you practice. Think about this. A child does not speak perfectly at first. They repeat words many times. They make mistakes. But slowly, their brain and mouth learn to work together. The same thing will happen for you, no matter your age, no matter your level. So, today, let us practice in a different way. I will guide you step by step. You will train your brain to think in English. You will train your mouth to move faster and smoother. And at the same time, you will feel motivated to continue your English journey. Your brain is powerful, but sometimes it becomes your biggest enemy when learning English. Why? Because your brain tries to translate everything from your first language into English. That makes you slow. That makes you nervous. But you can change this. You can train your brain to think directly in English. But how? With small daily habits. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning. Instead of thinking, "I am hungry," in your language, you tell yourself in English, "I am hungry. I want breakfast." Later, you walk outside and you see the sun. Instead of thinking in your language, say in English, "The sun is bright. The weather is nice." These small sentences are brain training. The more you do it, the more your brain accepts English as normal. Every day, try to choose 3 simple sentences to describe your life. For example, I am learning English. I believe in myself. I can speak with confidence. It feels easy, right? Your brain loves repetition. The more you repeat, the more natural it becomes. Remember this. Your brain is like a garden. If you plant English words every day, soon the garden will grow. Now let us focus on your mouth. Many learners know English words in their head, but their mouth cannot say them quickly. That is normal. Your mouth needs exercise, just like your brain. Think about singers. They practice their voice every day. They repeat sounds. They open their mouth wide. That is how they sing clearly. You must do the same with English. Your mouth is a muscle. When you train it, speaking becomes easy. If you speak English out loud every day, even for 5 minutes, your mouth will start to move faster. You will not feel heavy or slow. You will feel free. When you read English, do not read silently. Read with your voice. Speak the words. Let your mouth move. Let your tongue learn. This is mouth training. The most powerful training is when your brain and your mouth work together. This means do not only think English in your head, but also say it out loud. For example, imagine you are in the kitchen. You take a cup. You can think, "This is my cup," but better say it. "This is my cup." Then you drink water. Say, "I am drinking water." Another example. Imagine you are walking outside. You see a car. Say, "That is a car. The car is red." This is simple, but very powerful. If you practice this every day, your English will grow very fast. Now let us talk about something important. Your feelings. Many learners are afraid to speak. They think, "What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me?" Listen to me carefully. Mistakes are your teachers. Every mistake is proof that you are learning. When a baby learns to walk, they fall many times. Do people laugh? No. They clap. They say, Good job. Keep going. You are the same with English. So the next time you make a mistake, smile and tell yourself, I am growing. Confidence is not about speaking perfectly. Confidence is about speaking bravely. Now, let me share a simple daily routine to train your brain and mouth. If you follow this, in just a few weeks, you will feel more fluent. In the morning, when you wake up, say 3 sentences in English about yourself. For example, good morning. My name is Anna. I feel good today. I will speak English. During the day, as you do normal things, describe them in English. Say to yourself, I am cooking rice. I am cleaning the room. I am going to work. At night, before bed, tell yourself 3 sentences. For example, today I practiced English. I am proud of myself. Tomorrow I will speak again. This simple routine will change your English. Small steps every day create big results. My friend, today you learned how to train your brain and your mouth to speak in English. You learned that your brain can think in English with small sentences. You learned that your mouth can grow strong with daily practice. And most of all, you learned that confidence is inside you. Say to yourself now, I can speak English. I believe in myself. My story matters. Yes, your story matters. The world needs to hear your voice. So do not hide, do not wait. Speak today. Train your brain, train your mouth, and step by step, you will become fluent. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember this: your English journey is your success story.